How to make collage on Instagram story. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. From the very bottom panel, click on your profile icon. At the top left corner, near your profile picture, click on the plus icon. Now all the photos and videos from your gallery will show up. Now at the top, you will see templates and music. You can click on templates. Here you will find popular templates for your videos or photos. You can search for collages right here. If you don't find any collage here, then go back to your previous page. To select multiple photos, tap and hold on the photo. Now you can select as many photos as you want. At the bottom, your selected photos will be displayed. Click on the next option. When you do that, then it will show two options. One is for layout and the other one is for separate. Since we want a collage, we need to click on the layout option. Now your photos will be in a layout format. To change the layout, click on the edit layout option at the top. Now it has given me two layout options. If you have many photos, then it will give you more options. So this is how you can make collage on your Instagram story. That's all for today. Thank you.